Okay, let's go back to a year and a half ago. Okay, so this is a fall. And, this thing come from this book. I mean, this, this is like a, Standard Poor book. Every broker has a book in every country. Give you, one-page summary of every company. It's just, S&P has a book for U.S. companies, which I use, but I prefer to use Value Line, as I said, because of a U.S. company, it just gives you more information. And for other countries, if they don't have Value Lines, you go with this. Okay, so I just flipping on that one at that point. There's a one page, jumps on, and so that's the page. So what people can tell you about that page? Yes?
It's like I've gotten really cheap, but many times in the last 4 years.
Right. What do you mean by cheap?
Just that the profit per share was very low in relation to the earnings.
Well, if you really think about your owner, don't think about per shares, okay? So just train yourself from now on. Don't think about per share numbers. Think yourself as an owner. So give me, what is the market cap? Come on, it's simple. Come on. And I thought you guys all did homework, did you? Anybody did homework? Not one hand. Raise your hand if you did homework. One hand. How the hell are you going to make in this business? One hand. You did it, John?
Yeah.
Good. Tell me, what is the market cap?
I found that it's very difficult to understand the Korean company.
Okay. Anybody else? It's very simple. What is the ratio between Korean won and a dollar? What?
Usually around about 1,000.
Yes. Just divide by 1,000. So do that right now. What is the market cap? What?
87 million.
87 million? Roughly about $12. Roughly about what? 5.5 million shares? How much is that? Don't use that one. Don't use, use your kind of, get used to, if you want to read a lot of company, there's a lot of a company in this one, okay? Each page should take no more than 5 minutes. And the only way to do that is don't use those calculators. Just get yourself into more of a mental little things. You can really look at those things, and immediately within 5 minutes, you get a pretty good summary of the basic financial data. So don't use all of that. Tell me the numbers. 5.5 million, okay? So $60-some million. Give or take 5-10 million doesn't kill you. What is the earnings last year? Give me the kind of pre-tax number. Come on, you guys. You're the Columbia Business School class. You're the elite. You expect to make $150,000 a base. What do we people pay you for? What? What? How much is that? Give me the pre-tax earning. How much is that? Pre-tax earning? Just read a few lines before. It's called, what is the net income? $12 as 6 months. Double that, and the year before is what? 24 million, pre-tax 31 million. You're trading at a $60 million of market cap, roughly about 2 times. What's your working capital? What's your book value? What is the book value? Come on. Come on, you guys have work to do. This is not good, Bruce. I don't know what you're teaching them.
I think they're still dividing by 1,000. Right?
Yeah. Come on, divide by 1,000 is 236 million. It's simple. $230 million in book, 60 million in market cap, 25 million net earnings, and 31 million pre-tax earnings. what is the constitution of the book value? How do you really go about to do this? We have to probably go to the basics. Okay, who can tell me how do you really do those things quickly? Just as an analyst, you know. What do you say about it when people ask me, how do you really, within 5 minutes, tell me the basic sort of structure financially of this company? How do you go about, Chase? Tell me.
Liabilities, off the cuff.
And
70 million or so, looks like, and then add in your per fixed assets, just get a feel for
how much is it roughly?
contributing capital. So that's another 180 million or so fixed assets.
Perfect. Simple. What do you use in businesses? Use some fixed assets and working capital. That's it. And the goodwill, they can really not account on that. But that's it. That's what you need to operate a business. That's what you mean by owner. If you're owner, you look at something like that, you should be able to tell right away. And if you can't do this, well, that's Bruce's fault. I shouldn't really fault you. I mean, that's the basic you would learn, right?